Magnifi app. The pros, the cons. Magnifi is designed to simplify investing with curated tips and personalized recommendations. But how effective is it? Starting with the pros. First, personalized recommendations. Magnifi suggests portfolios based on your risk tolerance, goals, and investing preferences. Second, curated collections. The app organizes it by theme, sector, or strategy, making it easier to invest according to your interests. Third, educational tools. Magnifi offers resources to help you understand investments, perfect for beginners wanting to learn while investing. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited customization. Users cannot easily pick individual stocks, which may frustrate more hands-on investors. Another drawback is cost. Some features require a subscription, and management fees on it. Portfolios can slightly reduce returns over the long term. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate the power of thematic investing. Magnifi makes it easy to align your portfolio with trends or values that matter to you. In conclusion, the pros: personalized guidance, curated tips, and education make Magnifi great for beginner investors seeking structured portfolios. The cons: limited stock choices and fees suggest experienced traders may need other tools for full flexibility.